In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the substitution method for solving a system of equations. And remember, a system of equations is just two or more equations. In the case of our class, it's going to almost always be only two equations. And you need to use them to solve for x and y. So basically, this is a line, and this is also a line if you were to graph these, and you're solving for their point of intersection, where these two lines will intersect. So substitution is best to use when one of the two equations is already solved for one variable, and then the other equation is not. So this is like that math problem you had where it was asking about a basketball team, and you were taking I don't remember all the names, but you were taking Barbara out, and in Barbara's place goes Allison, because they're both playing the same position, but Allison is going out, and in her place is going to go Allison right here. So it's like you're substituting into the second equation the first equation, because that first equation is equal to y. So in the place of the y in the second equation, I can put the first equation. And then I just rewrite everything else, and then I solve this equation. I need to use distributive property. And I just keep working down. -5 plus 3 is -2x. And this is 22. So divide by -2, x is -11. And then I use that and plug it back into one of the original equations. So I'll plug it into the first one. Opposite of -11 is 11. So y equals 4. And then I always want to do a check. And so to do that, you plug the 2 points into the other equation and make sure you want to see if in fact it does equal -13. So I have 20 minus 33 equals -13, and that is -13. And you want to actually check them in both equations. In this case, we just used that to get the 4, so I know 4 will equal 4. And then you don't stop there. You always write your answer as a point of intersection. We use POI as an abbreviation, and the x coordinate is -11 and the y coordinate is 4. And that's the answer. And then if you were to graph this, this is the point at which these two lines would intersect.